Welcome to Yanqing Node News, a global AI news roundup. March 11th, 2026. Today's important news includes LeCun startup raises $1 billion. Tencent developing secret WeChat AI agent. State Department switches Claude to GPT. OpenAI integrating Sora video into ChatGPT. Nvidia invests heavily in photonics technology. Now, let's start the main text. 1. Advanced Machine Intelligence AMI Labs, founded by Meta's former AI scientist Yann LeCun, secured a record-breaking $1 billion seed round to develop AI systems with world model capabilities. Unlike current chatbots that primarily predict text, the startup aims to build systems that learn from continuous experience and possess common-sense reasoning about the physical world. This massive investment signals a shift in the capital market toward foundational AI research that challenges the dominant generative model paradigm. 2. Cybersecurity veteran Kevin Mandia raised $190 million for his new startup, Armadin, which focuses on building autonomous AI agents for threat hunting. The company aims to compress investigation times from hours to minutes by deploying white hat AI armies to counter increasingly sophisticated AI-driven cyberattacks. This record-level funding reflects high investor confidence in Mandia's vision of re-engineering security operations to be AI native from the ground up. 3. Displaced white-collar professionals, including lawyers and scientists, are increasingly joining platforms like Mercer to provide high-quality data for training AI models. These experts perform complex tasks such as world-building and model evaluation to help AI systems master professional workflows in high-value industries. This emerging shadow workforce faces job insecurity and algorithmic management while ironically training the very systems that may eventually replace them. 4. AI network startup Eridu emerged from stealth with a $200 million Series A round to address the network wall, hindering the expansion of massive GPU clusters. Founded by industry veterans, the company is redesigning data center networking from the chip level to provide flatter, lower latency interconnects specifically for AI workloads. Their goal is to enable future data centers with millions of GPUs to operate efficiently as a single, unified computing entity. 5. Tencent is reportedly developing a top-secret AI agent for WeChat that aims to automate diverse daily tasks via its massive ecosystem of mini-programs. The project, which has been under development since 2023, intends to let users perform actions like booking travel or ordering food through a single conversational interface. This initiative represents a high-priority effort by Tencent to turn WeChat into an AI-native operating system and catch up with rivals in the AI agent race. 6. Israeli startup Jazz raised $61 million to redefine data loss prevention through an agentic investigator platform that understands deep business context. Unlike traditional rule-based systems, this AI agent monitors data flows across SaaS and cloud environments to identify genuine risks, such as the unauthorized use of generative AI tools. The platform significantly reduces alert fatigue by compressing thousands of low-value warnings into a small number of actionable, high-risk events. 7. Meta has acquired Moltbook, an experimental social network designed specifically for AI agents to interact, post, and collaborate with one another. This move is seen as a strategic step toward building the infrastructure for a future agent economy, where AI entities represent the interests of individuals and businesses. Despite early security flaws that allowed humans to impersonate agents, Meta intends to use the team's expertise to explore new social paradigms for AI. 8. YouTube is expanding its AI-powered deepfake detection tools to help politicians and journalists identify and remove videos that misappropriate their likeness. Users must provide a baseline video and government ID, allowing the platform to automatically flag synthetic content through a system similar to its Content ID. This initiative aims to protect the integrity of public discourse ahead of major global election cycles while balancing free expression and security. 9. Wearable startup Sandbar raised $23 million to launch Stream, an AI-powered smart ring designed for seamless voice note-taking and task management. The ring features a touch-activated microphone that sends recordings to an app, where AI generates structured notes and identifies key tasks or associations. Unlike health-focused wearables, Sandbar emphasizes creating a thought partner that captures ideas in real time without disrupting the user's focus or privacy. 10. The U.S. State Department has replaced Anthropic's Claude with OpenAI's GPT 4.1 as the underlying model for its internal chatbot, StateChat, due to a federal ban. This change was mandated by a presidential directive after a dispute between Anthropic and the Pentagon over military use restrictions on its AI technology. Although GPT 4.1 is powerful, the transition has resulted in a loss of training data freshness, temporarily impacting the bot's knowledge of recent international events. 11. Aru, an AI startup founded by teenagers, has reached a $1 billion valuation by using thousands of AI agents to simulate market research and focus groups. The platform generates synthetic respondents to predict how real populations will react to new products or political policies with unprecedented speed and low cost. While attracting major clients like McDonald's and EY, the company faces scrutiny over potential algorithmic bias and the long-term reliability of its simulations. 12. OpenAI is shifting its strategy by integrating Sora's video generation capabilities directly into ChatGPT following the disappointing market performance of its standalone app. This move aims to turn ChatGPT into a comprehensive multimodal hub where users can generate text, images, and videos within a single, unified interface. Despite high computational costs, the integration is intended to boost user retention and compete with similar multimodal offerings from Google and Meta. 13. Intel announced the Core Ultra 270K Plus and 250K Plus, claiming they are the company's fastest gaming desktop processors to date. The 270K Plus features 24 cores and aims to provide flagship-level gaming and productivity performance at a more competitive $299 price point. These releases serve as a market correction following stability and power issues in previous generations, focusing on improved efficiency and gaming-specific optimizations. 14. Meta plans to deploy 4 generations of its custom MTI AI chips by 2027 to optimize its massive recommendation and generative AI workloads. These chips are designed specifically for high-efficiency inference, helping the company reduce long-term operational costs and its dependency on Nvidia's hardware. While continuing to purchase external GPUs, Meta aims to gain an edge by tightly integrating its model architectures with its own specialized silicon. 15. Atlassian is laying off 1,600 employees, roughly 10% of its workforce, to reallocate internal resources toward AI development and enterprise sales. CEO Mike Cannon-Brookes described the move as a way to self-fund the company's transition into an AI-native collaboration platform without seeking external capital. This restructuring reflects a broader industry trend where software firms cut traditional roles to support high-growth AI initiatives like intelligent agents. 16. OpenAI has launched an interactive visualization feature for ChatGPT that generates dynamic graphs and diagrams to explain complex STEM concepts. Users can adjust variables in real time, allowing them to see how changes affect mathematical formulas or physical laws like the Pythagorean theorem. This educational tool aims to shift the user experience from simply providing answers to fostering a deeper conceptual understanding through visual exploration. 17. Elon Musk unveiled Macrohard, a joint project between Tesla and xAI aimed at creating AI agents that can operate any software like a human employee. The system combines xAI's Grok for high-level reasoning with Tesla's computer vision to read screens and execute physical keyboard and mouse inputs. Musk envisions this platform simulating entire company functions, potentially automating vast amounts of white-collar work using low-cost hardware. 18. Nvidia is reportedly preparing to launch NemoClaw, an open-source enterprise platform for orchestrating AI agents across internal business workflows. The platform is designed to be hardware-agnostic, allowing companies to automate multi-step tasks like data analysis and report generation across different systems. This strategic move signals Nvidia's intent to dominate the AI software layer as cloud providers increasingly develop their own competing chips. 19. Nvidia and Mira Murati's Thinking Machines Lab announced a gigawatt-scale partnership valued at nearly $50 billion to build massive AI infrastructure. Nvidia will provide at least 1 gigawatt of its next-generation Vera Rubin systems to support the lab's goal of building highly customizable and generalized AI systems. This deep collaboration binds an emerging frontier AI lab with the world's leading chipmaker to push the boundaries of large-scale model training and human-AI interaction. 20. Nvidia released Nematron 3 Super, an open-weights model that blends Transformer, Mamba, and mixture of experts architectures for superior agentic reasoning. The model is specifically optimized for multi-agent collaboration and long context efficiency, leveraging 4-bit quantization to run on smaller, more accessible hardware clusters. By providing accompanying training tools and datasets, Nvidia aims to establish a new industry standard for high-performance open-source AI agents. 21. Nvidia is making significant investments in photonics to break through the bandwidth and power bottlenecks facing future massive AI data centers. While the upcoming Vera Rubin chips aim for a 10-fold reduction in inference costs, long-term scaling requires moving optical interconnects from the rack level directly into the chip package. This strategy positions Nvidia as the total architect for future AI factories capable of supporting tens of millions of interconnected GPUs. 22. The ongoing conflict in Iran has exposed a critical cost asymmetry in air defense, as the U.S. uses multi-million-dollar missiles to intercept $30,000 Shahid drones. While interception rates remain high, the continuous consumption of expensive interceptor stocks is strategically unsustainable and risks depleting vital inventories. Consequently, The Pentagon is rapidly adopting lower-cost alternatives like machine guns and specialized drone hunting systems based on successful tactics from the war in Ukraine. 23. Generative AI is driving a surge in sophisticated scams in the UK, targeting authors with fake book deals and consumers with account takeovers. Fraudsters use AI to mass-produce personalized emails and realistic websites that impersonate agents or banks to trick victims into paying for fraudulent services. Agencies like CIFAS warn that these automated tools have significantly lowered the barrier for large-scale deception, requiring increased public vigilance and platform regulation. 24. Stanford researchers are collaborating with visual artists to develop generative AI systems that act as intuitive creative partners rather than simple tools. The project aims to reduce creative friction by giving artists finer control over style, composition, and consistency through more interactive interfaces. By addressing artists' concerns about agency and copyright, the team hopes to foster a model of human-AI collaboration that augments rather than replaces human creativity.